Hello again, and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be discussing factors considered when applying for the Regional Labour Market in Demand stream of the Nova Scotia Immigrant Nominee Program. This program seeks to fill in-demand occupations currently offered by the province of Nova Scotia with foreign nationals interested in applying for permanent residence through the province. This is a unique application because it does not require that you first obtain an employment offer by a Canadian employer. That being said, there are many other factors that the program will consider when determining whether or not you are eligible for nomination through the program. The first aspect they will consider is your age. In order to qualify for the program, you need to be between the ages of 21 and 55. If you are not, the application will be returned. Another aspect that they will consider when qualifying you for the program is your language proficiency. In order to be eligible for this program, you will need to submit proof of your language proficiency through one of the registered providers with Citizenship and Immigration Canada. These are providers like the CELPIP or IELTS tests, which will determine your language level as per a grading system produced by Citizenship and Immigration Canada. In order to qualify, you will have to meet a Canadian benchmark language level of 5. Depending on the kind of test that you apply for, this will vary in terms of the grading systems. You will have to refer to Citizenship and Immigration Canada to see how you have scored as per their own Canadian benchmark levels. Another aspect of the application is determining whether or not you have the funds available for your stay in Canada. It is very important to an immigration officer that you have the necessary funds in order to take care of yourself as well as your family while you are in Canada. Depending on your family size, the required funds that you will need will change. There is a list as per Citizenship and Immigration Canada which outlines the necessary requirement of funds per your family size. For example, if you count yourself as the applicant, a spouse, and 2 children in your application, this means that you have a family size of 4. In this case, you will have to have a minimum necessary funds available of approximately $21,000. These must be unencumbered funds which are disposable and are currently available to you. This means that you will have to have a minimum of a high school equivalency as would have been in Canada. Meaning that you have to demonstrate that your current education is equivalent to a 12-year high school education in Canada. In addition to this, you will also have to demonstrate that you have a post-secondary education in a university or college recognized by your country. You may also have to have your credentials assessed to demonstrate this fact. The last thing that the province will consider when determining your eligibility for this program is your settlement plan. This plan is an outline similar to a business plan that demonstrates your intended purpose in the province as well as what your long-term intentions are. This is essentially your commitment to the province that you not only meet the requirements, that you will fulfill your obligations to the province, and that it is your intention to reside in the province. These are the essential qualifications of the Regional Labour Market in Demand stream, something that you will need to consider when applying. If you have any questions, concerns, or would like help with submitting your application, Acrami & Associates is certainly here for you. We have a wealth of experience in dealing with nomination programs being accepted for this application type. That means that once the province has successfully nominated 150 applicants, they will no longer accept any further applications for the year. And as these streams often come and go, depending on the availability of the province and the needs of the time, you might miss an opportunity if you don't act fast. Consider contacting us so that we can help you achieve your goals in Canada. With Acrami & Associates, there is always a way.